Hi, my name's Peter and we live on the Coral Coast at Cervantes, which is situated 200 kilometres north of Perth. So come up and see us and have a look at our backyard on the Coral Coast. Come and visit us at the Lobster Shack at Cervantes. Lots to do here. We've got a couple of charter boats where you can come and do sea line tours. Come and have a meal at the restaurant. Don't forget to grab a lobster lager, one of our famous beers. Do one of our factory tours where you can have a look at the crayfish and have a look at the way they're processed, ready for export. So all of our crayfish are all locally caught here in Cervantes. So thanks for listening to our story. Can't wait to welcome you all up here and have a look at the Lobster Shack. Come and see us and we'll give you a personal tour of the place and jump on one of the boats and do a tour.